Welcome to Being Well, and welcome to this 15-minute somatic morning yoga practice. So please get started. Join me in a seated position, whichever way is comfortable for you. And I invite you to take a moment just to take a fidget, get nice and comfortable, and then when you're ready, close down your eyes and relax your shoulders. We're just going to take a few deep breaths to start our practice. And we're going to use these few breaths really to bring our awareness inside and let go of external sources and let go of the day and also any thoughts. And I invite you during this practice today to really stay tuned in with your breath, to keep that somatic experience of all of your awareness inside the body. Let's take one more deep breath in, taking a sigh out, and then opening the eyes. So somatic yoga is all about the awareness within and letting the body lead, not the mind. So I will guide and I will give instructions, but I really want you to tune into your body and really allow your body to guide you. So don't feel that you need to be stiff and rigid. So really feel into the body and ask the body what it needs when we're in poses, and then give the body what it needs. Alright? So we're going to take the hands out by the side of the body and take a big breath in. Reach the arms up and a big breath out. Hands come back down towards the ground. We're going to continue to do this. And I'd like you to go at your own pace. Maybe you want to close down the eyes to enhance the experience, to help you bring that awareness inside if you do get distracted. So throughout this whole practice, we are keeping the awareness internal. Take one more. At the top here, connect the hands together, interlace the fingers, turn the palms up towards the ceiling or sky, lengthen through the spine and squeeze the arms towards the shoulders. Root down through your sit bones into the ground. Lengthen here and breathe. Awareness stays inside, so awareness, what's going on inside the body? Does the spine feel stiff? Do the arms feel achy? Do they feel nice and floaty and grounded? Remembering that there is no right or wrong, and really paying attention to where you are and knowing that where you are is okay. And then take a big breath in, look up to the hands. Exhale, let the hands fall all the way down. Nice, just take a little wobble off. And then we're going to take the right hand to the left knee and left hand comes behind. We're actually going to move. So we're going to do a somatic movement from one side to the other. So we're here looking over the left shoulder, and then we're going to release and swing around and change sides. And what I would like you to do is go at your own pace now. And also include your own flow. So maybe you might want to lift the arms up and come to the other side here. Maybe you want to stay low. Just do what feels good for you. And you may, when you get to the position, you may want to puff out the chest and just sit a little taller. You may not. Remembering just to feel into the body. What does the body need? What does the spine need? Maybe your spine needs to stay here and not move. That's okay. Maybe it wants to go quicker. And you want to move here from side to side. Just really asking the body what's going on. Full somatic awareness inside. Body leads, mind follows. And then gently come into stillness, back into the center. I'm going to release the legs out and take a shake off. And then taking the legs a little wider, hook the heels into the ground, hands come behind you to support you, and knees raise. We're going to let the legs fall over to the left side and then come to the right side. And again, just really feeling into the body. What's going on? What does the body need? Going at the pace that the body wants to go at. Maybe it wants to go really slow and gentle. Really feeling into your body, not looking at how I'm moving, keeping all your awareness on you. Because it really truly doesn't matter what anyone else is doing. If we can keep our awareness on us, this is the most important thing. Then we can give us what we really need. Take one more on each side. And then gently come back into the center. Let the legs come out. Come back up to seated. Take a little shake off. Okay, we're going to bring the right leg out to the right side. And the left foot hooks into the thigh. You're going to take the right hand down to the inside of the right leg. And then take a little lean out to that right leg. Reach up the left arm and take a breath here. Maybe we don't want to have the arm here, we want to hook it around the back. That's okay. We just want to make sure that we are opening up this shoulder. So whatever feels good for you. And maybe we might want to come in and out. Just really tuning in, asking the body, what does it want? And it might change. It might want a bit of stillness, and then it might want a bit of movement. Take one more. And then slowly come back up to the center. We're going to plant the left hand down to the ground by the left bum cheek. And then we're going to really ground in through that right foot. And then we're going to just create a little bit of a kickstand with this left foot. And then we're going to lift up the hips and reach up. I have a plant in my head. A nice big stretch, pushing the hips forward. Really opening up and creating space in the body. And then slowly arrive back down to the mat. Once we arrive here, we're going to take the right hand to the outside of the left knee and take the left hand around to the right side and take a twist. Again, tuning in, ask the body, what does it need? How is it feeling? Take one more breath. And then slowly come back to the center. Take a release out, shake the legs off. And then let's come to the other side now. So left leg comes out, right foot hooks into the left leg. Left hand comes down to the inside of the left leg. Reach up with the right arm. So we can here put the arm around the back, just so long as we are opening up the shoulder, that's all that matters. And then slowly come up to the center. Right hand comes down to the ground. We're going to create a little kickstand, root through that left heel, lift up through the hips. Release, push the hips forward, let that left arm really reach up, create space in the body. And then gently come all the way back down to the center. And now take the twist, left hand comes to the right knee. And look over your right shoulder. Awareness is inside. How is the body feeling? And then gently come back to the center, take the legs out, take a little shake off. I sort my shorts out. And then come now into a tabletop position. Join me here. We're going to take some circles here. So we're going to take the hips back to the left heel, to the right heel, to the right wrist, left wrist. And I really want you to tune into the hips, the shoulders and the wrists. Just asking the body to guide you, asking the body what's going on, what does it need, how is it feeling. Really going at whatever pace the body wants you to move. You're noticing the breath. And we're going to change sides, so change direction. We'll take one more. And then come into stillness, come into a wide-legged child's pose, feet together, knees wide. Just come down and take a breather here. And I want you now to tune into your hips. And just ask your hips, what emotions are you storing? And can we ask the hips to let us feel what we need to feel? And can we release and allow that emotion to pass? And maybe we invite some deeper breaths here. Let's take one more breath. And then slowly pushing up back into your tabletop position. And then we're going to take that right leg forward and keep the left knee back. Here I want you to move in and out of the front leg and the back leg. Maybe taking some circular movements. And here we are staying in tune with the hips. So still asking the hips to release anything that they need to release that they're storing. And really allowing the body to just move in a way that feels good and feels aligned with the movements and with how you are feeling. Take one more. And then slowly release that leg back, and we're going to change sides, taking that left leg forward. So same thing on the other side, into the hips. Checking on what's going on in there. How are they feeling? What do they need to release? Taking one more movement. And then gently bringing yourself back onto your fours. And then we are now going to come laying on our backs. So when we arrive onto our back, we are going to simply bring the feet together. Be nice and rounded. We're going to open up the legs into butterfly. And what I'm going to invite you to do is place your hands on your hips. Take a few deep breaths and really tune into those hips of yours. And I'm going to invite us to butterfly our legs in and out. Being nice and gentle, remembering to go at the pace that feels good for us. And then I'm going to ask you to bring the knees into the chest. Take a rock from side to side. And then take a long stretch out. Reach the arms up, legs out long. Big, big stretch. And then gently make your way up to seated as we finish our practice. And just taking a moment to stay in a seated position, close the eyes, take a few deep breaths. And I invite you to set an intention for today. And if you are struggling with one, maybe it can just be that you want to set the intention to return to your breath as many times as you can today. Take one more breath. Full awareness. And then bring your hands to your heart. Open the eyes if you have them closed. Thank you so much for joining. Please subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next video. Check out our other videos. See you soon. Take care. Bye.